Back the kiln. Okay. Make sure you do a good job in here, Mason. Hey, Warren. Alright, we're in Kiln 2. Mason's inspecting. You see any holes or anything that needs to be fixed, Mason?
Everything look okay?
Yeah.
You're checking it all out, huh?
We're about to fire it up, so we're counting on your inspection.
Are we ready to put cars in? I think so.
Okay. Good job, Mason. What? Huh?
A dog?
Hey, you're doing a great job. I'm not sure if this is going to come out or not, but you're doing pretty good, Mason. When I was your age, I would never go through here. Yep. Put down your notes the things that need to be removed. I don't know. You see him? Oh, he's back there. Okay, be careful here. You got it? Whoa. Okay. You did it. 412 feet later, Mason, we're out. Good job. Good work.